Guys, look what's happening. Guys, look what's happening. The lights are like flickering. This guys, you know you gotta vlog. What the heck is happening? The sky's literally blue. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm so scared, dude. The lights just like flickered in our house. We were like, oh no, we blew something, but what the heck is happening? Oh my gosh. Guys, the sky's flashing blue. I don't know what it is. I'm honestly a little scared.
How is the sky so bright?
I'm kind of terrified, honestly.
I'm scared.
Oh my gosh. You know I gotta vlog, bro. I have adrenaline because the lights started flickering and then I looked outside and I was like, oh my gosh, lightning?
We were playing a game and the power just went out. My legs are shaking.
Bro. Yeah.
Yeah, we should be dead.
It's the power plant.
But the power plant's over there.
There's a different power
It's
plant.
over there. There's one down there.
Oh, what?
Are you kidding me?
It just got dark again. No, my camera's running out of battery. Dang it. I have to run up and get the other battery. I have so much adrenaline.
Stop now. It's in the air. That's what I was thinking. At least it wasn't a nuke.
Bro, same. I was so scared. I was like,
See if we
oh my gosh.
pretty much.
I was so glad because I went and I was like, oh man, I have to get my camera. My camera's literally sitting on the stairs because I was editing.
You're right.
Bro,
Like aliens.
literally was like Stranger Things. And it's coming from the power plant. Yeah, I got it. I got some of it. Bro, I'm literally shaking so much right now.
We're not dead.
It was like Stranger Things. It was like Stranger Things. I'm even wearing the shirt today that I got. Here, hold the camera, hold the camera, hold the camera. It's like this crazy cool tank top.
Oh, it's nice. We stand.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's nice. I'm so cold.
I'm not cold, I just like the adrenaline.
Oh my god, you're an
Something blew up.
Yeah.
Something blew up at the power plant over there. See, I thought it was that one, but the blue light was coming from there, and apparently there's another one over there. Bro, I saw her Christmas tree, I was just going,
No, I was on my computer. It just
Yeah, this thing sizzled out.
and we went out. I went to the balcony and it was just blue.
oh
Yeah, I
my
was
god.
watching Lucifer and my lights are
I have way too much adrenaline right now. Guys, you can hear fire trucks everywhere.
Live news. Does anyone have live news? No one.
times. Not that big of a deal.
Dad, can we go look?
You want to go look on the burning power?
Drive up there?
Yeah.
No.
You gotta do it for the vlog.
Wait, Barney, you want to go see a burning power?
Yes, you know how cool that would
I
be.
really want to see
Dude,
it.
I really want to see that.
What about all the
so
fumes?
sick.
So what?
Who cares?
It's on my bucket list.
Woo!
Yeah, we just came back from Carlson. We were driving. We were right there, bro.
Out of context, it does sound normal. The sky turned blue. The sky is blue.
Yeah, it's normally
The sky turned blue.
Well, turn it.
I know, we all saw it.
bunch of colors.
It just turned off. Look, come on. Look, he's gonna drive. He was there. We just drove over there, and look, something exploded in Carnegie. I feel like everything's on the. It was just a big fire.
Wait, you mean right behind the soccer field?
Yeah, right behind the soccer field.
Oh wow, you're not gonna be able to
Big
play
fire.
Oh my god.
It exploded. It was
No,
huge. It was like
dude.
the fire was.
I know, I got on my vlog.
The fire was as big as the house, like bigger than the house. Look, you played it. Look at it. You can see the fire.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's right behind my soccer field.
Yeah, you're screwed.
Yeah, good luck, man.
Bro, that thing I could see it being flammable though. Like, guys, I was just about to go inside, but.
I wish the power fully went out. Like,
Same, it would be so cool.
and like in the city, that'd be sick.
Alright, guys. I don't know what happened, but this is gonna be my next video. Woo. Talk about an adrenaline rush. Gosh, after it happened, so it happened, right? And then sky turned blue, and I was like, vlog. And I ran inside, and I grabbed my camera off the stairs, and I've been. Did you yeah, I got some of it.
NYPD is calling it a transformer explosion at the power plant. They're saying stay away from that area.
Bro, that's right behind Con Ed Fields.
Yes.
Our soccer fields. That's
Nobody
gonna.
touched my baby. Nobody.
I'm so glad I got that on video.
I was thinking if the Bensons would have been
Watch it
close.
just goes out. So it's clearly the electrical.
The entire sky was blue. I literally thought there was an apocalypse or there was a nuke.
Yeah, well,
Next thing you know, you hear alarms. It was scary though, because we heard the sirens.
yeah, no, I know.
Sup guys, I accidentally just deleted my old outro. Because I was going through my camera. But today was crazy. So it was, I can't believe that happened. Turns out it wasn't super big. It was just a transformer, which is like a part of the power plant that blew up. But wow, it was crazy. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, turn on my post notifications. All the stuff you guys know what to do. Yeah, and thanks so much for the support, and hope you liked today's vlog. And yeah, share with your friends, and peace.
Silence.